In this video, I'm going to go over the community post of calculate correct date. If you'd like to pause the video, I'll let you read through the post. Otherwise, I will start right now. What the user is looking for is they are looking to take a contract start date and a contract length and calculate what is the bill date. Namely, if it is monthly, they are going to bill them 30 days before. For all other frequencies, they'll bill them 90 days before. They also like to calculate the contract end date. So let's go ahead and do that. First, we will need a formula tool since we'll be doing some calculating. And the first order of business is we need to calculate contract length in months. So we will say contract length in months. And we can say if contract length equals annual, then 12, else if it's quarterly, it'll be 3. If it's semi-annually, it will be 6. And if it's monthly, it will be 1. And if none of those options are selected, it will be null. And then we will end it with an end if. Now when we hit run, and we'll convert this to an integer, we can see we have now converted it into a number. Now let's go ahead and calculate contract end date. To do this, we want to add to the start date this number of months. There's a formula called DateTimeAdd, which takes 3 arguments. dt will be the start date. I will be how many units are we looking to move, and u is the unit in question. So we're going to start it with our start date. We are looking to move the contract length in months, and the u will be in months. And when we hit run, we will now see we have moved 12 months for this one, added 3 months to this one, added 6 months to this one, and added a month to this one. Now, when we want to calculate the bill date, they've mentioned they want to do it in days. And it's going to be variable. So we will say if the contract length equals monthly, then we will DateTimeAdd our start date. This is going to be -30, and the unit will be days. Else, we will DateTimeAdd from the start date -90 days. End if. And now when we hit run, we will see that for these annual, quarterly, and semi-annual, we've subtracted 90 days. And for this monthly, we have subtracted 30 days. In this video, we went over how we can set string variable into integers, and then we use the DateTimeAdd function to be able to add a certain amount of months to a start date. We've also done it for days and subtracting the days. If you have any questions on this video, please leave them below. Please give a like, and I will look forward to seeing you on the next one.